Okay guys, we got a 2023 BMS Colt 700 here. This is an LSX. We're gonna be doing some other stuff too, like checking valves and such. So if you need that, you can click on my name underneath this video and I'm gonna post some more on this one. This was an interesting little issue. So this vehicle came in, it had no crank, no spark. So before you do anything else, I just wanna show you this. This is called a flash shift controller. This little box right here, and I'll get you a part number in a second just in case you need it. But first I wanted to show you how to test it. So you're gonna go key on, and you're gonna need help here. Key on and have somebody press the brake pedal. This will close the brake circuit switch, and then you can test this box. While this box is still plugged in, if you look here, you can see where we probe the green wire and the one right next to it. It's like a light yellow or light green or whatever. You're gonna probe both of those with the continuity tester, and you want continuity across it. If there's no continuity, when you probe the two of those, while it's plugged in, ignition is on, and the brake pedal is depressed, change this box, this little switch controller. If you do have continuity through the two of those, then there's another test procedure for the ignition switch, but it's probably your ignition switch. So again, no spark, you have fuel, no spark, no crank. Then test this box first. It sits right in next to your battery box. I'm at the front of the vehicle right now. So if that's the case, then what you want to change is that box called a flash shift controller. And let's see if I can get you a part number on it. It's on here, right there. I'm gonna hit it so you, hit it so you can see it and you can zoom in if you need it. So there you go, D51A277990001, JL231103. So that's gonna be your problem. Again, we're gonna make a few more on this thing, and I'll keep you posted on what they are. So if this video helps you out, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.